don't have to be famous or have hundreds of thousands of followers on TikTok to make money. And even better, you can make money on TikTok without ever showing your face. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 4 different ways you can make money on TikTok, how to get started with each, and the earning potential for each different method. I'm also going to rate each method on a difficulty scale of 1 through 5, 1 being so easy your grandparents could do it. And obviously once I've delivered all this information to you, it's completely up to you on what you want to do with it and which method you would like to pursue. My name is Nyla. I'm a top rated plus social media marketer on Upwork with a 100% job success score. If you want to learn about how to grow and make money on social media, then this is the place you need to be, because I share all my knowledge, all my learnings, and I don't gatekeep. And on top of that, I post every single week, so subscribing to my channel is not a bad idea. I want to kick off number 1 with TikTok Shop's affiliate program, because a business is booming in that department. And it's a relatively new method of making money on TikTok that I am personally very excited about. To get started as an affiliate on TikTok requires 1,000 followers and 0 upfront cost. If you don't have 1,000 followers, don't worry, because I'm going to explain how exactly you can get that really fast a bit later on. Since the launch of this program, so many creators have found insane success. It's Nisrin, a beauty influencer, has made over $450,000 in sales using the affiliate program. Richard Sales Official has made over 150,000 sales using the same program. And you can too. Honestly, anyone can do this. Here's how it works. Let's say I buy a product from TikTok Shop. For example, this vegetable chopper, which is actually a really cool gadget, by the way. I also have it. It saves me so much time when I'm prepping to cook or making a salad. Once I have this product in my hands, all I need to do is create my own content using the same vegetable chopper and attach my own affiliate link to the videos that I create when I post to TikTok. Your personal affiliate link for every single product will be provided to you when you sign up for the affiliate program. And then I get a commission through every single sale that is made through my content. For this specific product, I can earn a 10% commission for every single product that is sold, which comes up to exactly £1.68. Generally, commission rates range from 5 to 50% per product on the TikTok Shop. You can earn £5.25 for each vanity case sold here, £2.52 for these Nature Spell hair oils, and £21.08 for every one of these treadmills that you sell. There are endless amounts of products that you can choose from. The best part is, for each product, you will be able to find hundreds and hundreds of videos of other creators using and promoting them, which means you will have plenty of inspiration when it comes to generating ideas for content. Just type in the name of the product on TikTok, filter to like count, and you'll get access to the best performing content for that specific product. There are also plenty of creators that showcase these types of products without ever showing their face. So you can totally use this specific method to make money on TikTok if you're not comfortable with showing your face on the platform. The requirements to use TikTok Shop as a creator is that you have 1,000 followers on the platform, be 18 years old, and have posted a video in the last 28 days. All you need to do to apply is go to Creator Tools, TikTok Shop for Creator, and apply. Now, if you don't have 1,000 followers, it's actually not that hard to get to that number. I do have an entire video on how you can grow a following on TikTok really fast on my channel. I really do recommend you watch that if you want to get to 1,000 followers as soon as possible. I'll leave a link to that video in the description below. I do want to mention though that this method does work best if you build an audience that loves and trusts you, because people are more likely to buy based on your recommendations if they feel like they know you and they've managed to build a meaningful relationship with you throughout all of your content. Overall, I would rate this a 2 out of 5 because your grandparents may struggle a little bit to get there, but you definitely will not. Method number 2 on how to make money on TikTok. You can make money on TikTok Shop as a seller. So obviously promoting other people's products as an affiliate means that there are actual brands on TikTok selling their own products, which means you can also be a brand that sells your own products on TikTok, and even better, get influencers and creators to sell them for you through the affiliate program. In fact, in the US alone, it's been reported that there are $7 million worth of product being sold daily on the platform, and that's just in the US. TikTok has changed the game for social commerce, and users are not just scrolling to be entertained anymore. They are actively shopping on the platform, and now is a great time to take advantage of that. All you need to do is 1, have a product to sell, and 2, create an account in the TikTok Seller Center. And 3, upload your products to TikTok Shop. And 4, start making content for your product, or even better, get other creators to make that content for you. But of course, let's address the elephant in the room. You obviously first need to have a product to sell. But that's totally fine. Don't stress out, because I'm going to tell you exactly how you can find your first product. I want you to go to the TikTok Creative Center and click Inspiration. And then you want to click Top Products. You want to then choose a category. For example, here I chose kitchenware in the last 30 days. I can then click details on one of these subcategories and find a product that I like. Once I find a product that I like, I can go to a dropshipping website. For example, there's CJ Dropshipping. Once I find the product, I can list that product onto my TikTok shop. You probably want to order 1 or 2 pieces of the product yourself as well, so that you can make content for it. And then you can go ahead and put that content onto your account. And if you did want to go to the extra mile, you can also run ads on that content. The best thing about this is you can also get other creators to make content for you if you don't have the time or expertise to make all of the content yourself. You do this by obviously signing up for the affiliate program as a brand. By ordering through dropshipping websites, you obviously don't need to hold the inventory yourself. The dropshipping site will sell your product for you, and you'll only be paying for products as they sell. So you don't need a huge investment up front. Obviously, connecting your TikTok shop account to your dropshipping site can be a bit of a lengthy process, especially if you've never tried it before. There are a few additional steps and requirements that you need to go through in order to get started. So if you'd like a more in-depth video on that, let me know in the comments below. I'd be happy to do that if there's enough of you that are interested. The earning potential for this really is quite limitless, depending on how much effort you put into it with creating the content, running the ads, and really looking at all the different avenues possible to get your product in front of as many people's eyes as you possibly can. I would give this a 4 out of 5 in terms of how difficult it is to start up. It's not as easy as affiliate marketing, of course. However, I would say that once you do put in the initial effort, it's definitely more rewarding. Number 3 on my list is another relatively new-ish way to make money on TikTok, and has actually had quite a lot of success and is pretty popular right now amongst creators. And that is the Creativity Program Beta. Now, a lot of people get this confused with the old TikTok Creativity Fund. These are not the same thing. The Creativity Fund was launched in 2020, and honestly, it didn't go down very well. It was literally paying peanuts to creators. For example, KSI with 9.2 million followers, over 70 million likes, and 100 million plus views, reported to only have received £3,000 in total from all of that content, which is terrible considering he's one of the biggest creators in the world, and that was literally his life's work on the platform. But rest assured, the Creator Fund has been closed down and replaced with a much better program, the Creativity Program Beta. This program pays 20 times the amount previously offered by the Creativity Fund, and here's how it works. So you only get paid for videos that are over 1,000 views, and those videos need to be over a minute long. This is because TikTok is trying to become a platform much like YouTube, where longer form content is favored. Each video you post within these requirements will get paid a certain amount per 1,000 views. This is called your RPM. For the sake of this video, let's have a look at my RPM on TikTok, as I am personally a part of this program. That being said, I barely post on TikTok. It really ranges from like once to 2 to 3 times a month, and within that I rarely post videos that are over a minute long. So my RPM is 45 pence per 1,000 views, and my total earnings on TikTok is £16.51. Now, I don't want to freak you out. Whilst this may seem like nothing, please remember, I personally am not trying to make money on TikTok using the Creativity Program. This is not a stream of income that I put any of my own time into, because I do have other commitments, and my target audience doesn't use TikTok as much as they would Instagram and YouTube. However, I do know of creators and some of my own clients that are very focused on making money on the Creator Program, and a lot of them have managed to replace their 9 to 5 with this program. I know that if I was putting out content on TikTok every single day, I would be able to bring that number up quite significantly, and I really don't think it's that difficult to do so. To be eligible for the Creativity Program Beta, you need to be at least 18 years old, have at least 10,000 followers, and 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. So it definitely is for the more experienced creators. However, TikTok is the easiest platform to grow on. With some dedication, you'll literally get there in no time. But if you don't want to wait around for 10,000 followers or 100,000 video views, there is a way around this, and I will share that with you right at the end of this video. If you do meet these requirements, you can sign up to the Creativity Program Beta by opening the TikTok app and tap Profile, then tap the menu button, then Settings, tap Creator Tools, and then Creativity Program. I would rate this a 3 out of 5 on the difficulty scale, as once you get the followers and meet the eligibility requirements, you just really need to make sure that you're consistent with posting content that is over a minute long. And obviously, the content should be engaging enough that it gains views. If this is something you'd seriously consider doing, I really recommend you watch this video where I teach you how to build a loyal personal brand on social media. The fourth method to make money on TikTok does tie into using the creativity program. However, I'm going to tell you exactly what you need to post to go viral on TikTok and to make money. You're going to do this using the program, but never having to show your face. Have you ever seen clips like this on TikTok? Reddit stories with automated voiceover, Subway Surfer gameplay in the background, or videos like this where there's a put a finger down interactive game videos, like Put a Finger Down ADHD edition or Put a Finger Down Psycho edition. There's also these really cool AI videos where the AI character narrates a true crime or a horror story. Well, let me tell you, people are not out here making these videos purely just for your entertainment. In fact, these viral video clips are making creators a lot of money. Like this creator Musa, who makes $10,000 to $12,000 months creating videos like this every single day and posting them onto TikTok. And that's no exaggeration. We can easily prove this by picking out a random account that does these faceless videos on TikTok and estimate how much they are making per video, assuming they have an RPM of 45 pence, just like me. This page, Ask Reddit Stories, has a bunch of videos. They obviously meet all the requirements with over 10,000 followers. This video of theirs has 762.9 thousand views. It's also over 1 minute long, so we know it's definitely getting money from the creativity program beta. 45 pence per 1,000 views means this creator has roughly made around £3,400 from this single video. This number may be slightly under or over based on what their RPM is, but honestly there won't be much difference, probably just a couple of pence. Considering the creator probably took this footage from YouTube, the story from Reddit, and added captions from probably the Captions app or CapCut, this is insane. And that is just one video on their account. This creator has posted multiple videos and continues to post every single day, racking up thousands and hundred thousands of views every day. To get started with this method, here's what you need to do. Number one is pick a niche. So are you going to share Reddit stories? If so, what kind of Reddit stories? Are you going to make AI videos, or are you going to post interactive games like Put a Finger Down or this or that? The reason you want to pick a niche is because to actually get followers on your account, you need to have a consistent theme throughout your content to make users feel inclined to follow you. Because if they do like what you posted, they'd follow with the expectation that you're going to continue to post content like that. Once you've picked a niche, you want to use video editing software like CapCut to edit your content. You can take gameplays and stock footage from platforms like YouTube. The automated voiceovers you can get from TikTok themselves or even CapCut. If you want to use AI imagery, you can go to platforms like Creo.ai or Midjourney. And for captions, my favorite app to use is the Captions app. To get your first 10,000 followers, you don't actually have to be posting 1 minute long videos. They can be shorter, as anything you post before you sign up for the creativity program beta will not be eligible. And if you don't want to wait around for 10,000 followers, there are creators just like Musa who actually sell accounts that meet all the requirements, have the followers, and are already approved for the creativity program beta. In all honesty, creators like Musa will be able to teach you more about this method in greater depth. As far as I know, he does have a free Discord server teaching you how to do this. I do recommend that you check him out if you want to take this seriously. He is honestly great at what he does. I'll leave a link to his social media accounts in the description below. If you made it all the way to the end of this video, you're a real one. Comment TikTok cash in the comments below so that I can see you've made it all the way to the end. I'd also really love love your feedback in the comments. I'm always trying to improve my content and post about new and different things. So your feedback would be really helpful. I'd also love to know what type of content you'd like me to create. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video, as it really helps with the growth of my channel, which means I can continue to post more content like this. With that, I'll see you guys next week.